To put it this way, anything that carries a neural network of information and high frequency information transfer has the capability to host consciousness. Consciousness, as a sentient entity, is a being that has the ability to connect to the self-reflective algorithms of the field and retain memory. Meaning that if something has a neural network or a network of information complicated enough to store the information in its, for example, when you look at certain funguses, when you look at slime molds, when you look at the single cellular organisms, a single slime mold can exist out of a neural network of information alone. So if we have information densities and high frequencies of self-reflective algorithms, a large body of water could theoretically be conscious up to a certain point, but awareness of that consciousness and the processing of that information is done by the neurological systems. So the actual awareness of that sentience and its existence is also according to the depth of the neural network that hosts the self-reflective consciousness of the field. I think that there is a cellular organism and more complex is essentially a host of consciousness or something that becomes just conscious enough to know that there is ability of existence or expansion complex